Hi everyone, and welcome to this webinar promoted by Life Scientific. My name is Diego Bulgarelli and I am the Business Development Director for LF of America. Today's webinar is about our filling technology for unidose vials, the Penta-fill machine, that we will display at the Pack Expo show in Chicago next October 14th to 17th. I would like to extend a complimentary entrance to the audience of our webinar today that you can obtain by registering online at packexpointernational.com using this COM code 35G95. Before entering into the details of our filling machines, I would like to give you a quick background on our company. LF America is the US subsidiary of Lameplast Group. We are in business since 1976 as primary packaging manufacturer for the pharmaceutical industry. Our corporate facility is headquartered in Italy, where we operate on 250,000 square feet. We currently work 24/5 with 1 or 2 additional shifts on Saturdays. Part of the groups are Lameplast, that offers injection molding, blow molding, and injection blow molding of plastic packaging in ISO 7 cleanroom. Lameplast is ISO 9001 and ISO 15378 certified for primary packaging materials for medicinal products. LF of America, the US subsidiary located in Florida that houses the sales for the US territory and offers contract filling service of non-sterile solution in an ISO 8 cleanroom, and offers the manufacturing of unidose vials in some capacities. LF America is FDA registered for OTC drug, EPA registered, ISO 22716 certified for GMP for cosmetics. COC is the contract manufacturing organization of the group for sterile solution and non-sterile medical devices. Located in Italy, close to Lameplast, is ISO 13485 certified. Let's take a look at our fill and seal machine. The Penta-fill machine is a system designed to fill and seal liquid solutions in Lameplast and LF of America unidose vials. As packaging manufacturers, we focus on unidose delivery system for liquids, and we design the machine to work specifically with our packaging. We offer laboratory, semi-automatic, and fully automatic machines, giving the flexibility of use of our unidose vials in pilot batches, small-scale production, up to full-scale and continuous production on 3 shifts. This chart shows the different models and corresponding capability of the Penta-fill fill and seal machine. When translated to monthly capabilities on 1 shift, the semi-automatic models reach up to 500,000 of individual vials on a single shift, while the fully automatic models reach up to 2.5 million vials on a single shift. Let's have a closer look at the A25 machine now. Pentafill A25 fill and seal machine is fully controllable through the integrated PLC. The strips of 5 unit dose vials are loaded in bundles on the Teflon loading magazine. The strips are then transferred one by one on the filling line through a robotic pick and place. The first station is the filling station. The A25 has 5 nozzles that fill the 5 vials of the strips simultaneously. It is possible to control each nozzle independently and fill the strips with up to 5 different products, different viscosities, and different filling volumes. The second station blows hot air on the seal area, partially melting the plastic. The air does not come in contact with the solution inside the vial. After the plastic is molten, the strip moves to a hot crimp. The operation is then repeated on a second hot crimp. The last station is the cold crimping. The crimp's temperature is regulated by a chiller. This process cools down the plastic and gives to the seal the traditional triple line shape of Flameplast unit dose vials. The plastic is now at room temperature. Finally, the strip is placed by a second pick and place on a conveyor belt, ready for additional operations such as inkjet coding, labeling, and packing. Compared to other unit dose technologies on the market, the Penta-fill system offers flexibility and reliability at a very affordable price. Our technology is a two-step process, where the vials are injection molded in an ISO 7 clean room, inspected for possible leaks, packed in a double polyethylene bags, sterilized through gamma irradiation, then filled in a second step with a Pentafill fill and seal machine in a sterile environment. The blow-fill seal technology is a different process where a plastic container is formed, filled, and sealed in a continuous process in an enclosed, sterile environment. Each technology has its distinctive features, pros and cons. With injection molding, the clients received unit dose vials ready to fill and seal with a Pentafill machine. Empty vials can be stored for a long period of time prior to filling. There is no involvement in the packaging manufacturing or the transformation of raw materials into plastic packaging. With blow-fill seal, the client buys and transforms plastic granules into plastic packaging. The plastic packaging cannot be stored prior to filling, only the plastic granule can. The injection molding process gives components that are very clean and with minimal visual imperfection, where it's more common to have components with plastic burrs or flashes with the blow-fill seal process. The microscope returns images of the orifice of an injection molded vial that are consistently clean. Delivery area of a blow-fill seal vial show less consistency from vial to vial, with the possibility that the droplet size could vary. The mold of an injection molded vial allows for some flexibility in meeting customers' requirement on shape and geometry. For example, it is possible to make a foldable cap to print or label more information on the vial. Blow-fill seal is more limited to this extent without many options out of the traditional straight geometry. When it comes to the use of innovative materials, our product development team currently is and has been working on several options in the most recent year, such as materials that are capable of absorbing oxygen in the plastic, or multiple layers of plastic that provide a barrier to oxidation. We are not aware of similar possibilities with blow-fill seal technology. Both injection molded and blow-fill seal vials can be reclosed and used multiple times. However, for the test we conducted, the injection molded vials seems to perform much better in terms of tightness of the reclosed vials. Injection molded components have to be sterilized prior to filling, typically through gamma irradiation, when a filling in aseptic is required. The blow-fill seal does not require a pre-sterilization since the whole process is in sterile condition. The injection molding process distributes the molten plastic evenly in the whole mold with a consistent wall thickness in the plastic container. While the blow molding process does not give control of the wall thickness, with the result that the blow-fill seal container may be more prone to permeability or less stable where the plastic wall is thinner. Being a two-step process, Lameplast does an automatic 100% control of the molded vials prior to filling, checking for integrity, flashes, leaks, or black spot. A blow-fill seal vial can be controlled only once it is already filled. Liquid solutions that are sensitive to high temperature are at risk with blow-fill seal technology since they can come in contact with hot plastic that is still at approximately 200 degrees Fahrenheit after blowing. On the Penta-fill machine, there is no contact between the liquid solution and hot plastic or hot air. Waste of plastic is intrinsic of the blow molding technology and can reach up to 400%, where 4 pounds of plastic raw material are necessary to obtain an average of 1 pound of finished plastic packaging. The injection molding process, on the contrary, is very efficient in terms of raw material use, with almost no waste if we exclude a small percent in the startup phase. Ultimately, the Pentafill machine for injection molded vials is very versatile technology that can be used for small and large-scale production and give the flexibility of switching between formats and products in a fairly quick time. On the other hand, the blow-fill seal technology is a better fit for very high volumes of the same product where the machine runs continuously on 3 shifts. Our primary sector is the pharmaceutical. However, our technology and packaging is widely used in the diagnostic, veterinary, and personal care industry as well. Some of the products filled in unidose vials include ophthalmic solutions, oral vaccines, cough syrups, anti-allergy medicines, eardrops, surgical glues, flu buffer solution, strep bacteria buffer solutions, spot-on control products, flea and ticks, animal joint support, anti-seborrhea shampoo, liquid vitamins, energy drinks, beverage flavorers, CBD oil, moisturizer, exfoliants, sunscreens, arthritis creams, skincare regimens, and also some industrial applications such as solvents, windshield repair, cleaners. LF America offers unidose vials in a capacity range from 0.3 ml up to 10 milliliter. Each capacity is available in a reclosable and not reclosable version. Polyethylene and polypropylene are the 2 most common plastic available in different grades. Decoration options include pet printing, labeling, and embossing. The Pentafill machine fills any type of liquid solution, from water-like viscosity product to serum, from gels to thick creams. 2 types of filling system and different machines optional, such as the microneedles, allows a variable dosing from 0.15 milliliter up to 11 milliliter. The system can be equipped with a nitrogen flush for products that need to minimize contact with air. With disposable silicone tubing, only the tank and the nozzles come in contact with the product, reducing the cleaning time to minimum. The machine can be expanded over time to fill all LF America strips capacities. An optional laminar airflow designed to surround the Penta-fill is available to improve the contamination control. Although it was originally designed for sterile solution, some of the Penta-fill parts can be built with alternate construction materials at lower price for products that don't need a sterile environment. The after-sales service for Penta-fill is provided from Florida, and the majority of spare parts are in stock in the US. We do not finance. However, we offer rental of the Penta-fill machines depending on stock availability. You can always purchase the machine during the rental period. We can sample your product in our unit dose vials for you to evaluate the packaging and do the necessary testing. The sampling in a few units is free of charge and usually completed within a couple of weeks. Alternatively, you can rent a Pentafill L bench-top machine for a few months and purchase unit dose vials by the case. Absolutely. For high-volume projects, we can assist you in custom development from begin to end. The initial step is to understand and define with you the requirements of the project. From there, we propose some option that goes through prototyping, pilot run, till custom tool making and commercial production. Come see the Pentafill 825 machine at the PAC Expo show in Chicago, October 14 to 17. The LF Americas team, including members from the business development, project management, machine manufacturing, and new product development, will be available to answer all your questions. Again, you can register for free at pacexpointernational.com, providing this comp code courtesy of LF of America. Thank you for your attention today. If you have any question, you can reach the Life Scientific representative in your area, or you can call us at our office number or contact us through email at inquire@lfofamerica.com.